So guys, we are literally only a few days away from the Galaxy Unpacked event and information about the S23 Ultra is being released. As we are getting closer to the event, we already know a lot about the device, but now there are reports about a new Gorilla Glass Victus 2 will first be utilized in the next generation of Galaxy smartphone according to the company. It means that the Galaxy S23 series has Coring Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back over the screen. This new protection panel is made using glass composition and offer improved drop performance on rough surface like concrete. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 will have resistance to shattering when a phone is dropped from a waist height on a concrete surface. So Samsung is definitely focusing on the phone durability this year. In my opinion, you will get a 10 to 15% of better durability using the Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Plus, you will also get a better scratch resistance as well. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Will this improvement is going to be good for the phone or not? Now guys, moving forward, the Galaxy S23 series will be packing some incredible hardware inside, which include a better processor, which is going to be coming with more power efficiency. And this means that power efficiency and the battery drain is going to be less as compared to the S22 Ultra that was coming with Exynos processor and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Now, a new cooling system is also being introduced, which also give you consistent performance for the S23 series devices. Now, for the camera department, we have a major upgrade, which includes a 200 megapixel camera sensor, which definitely gives you a better quality of videos and photos. Some leaked photos and videos has been leaked, which confirms about the performance of the camera sensor. The night photography is going to be much more improved. Now for the battery capacity, we have the same 5000 mAh for the S23 Ultra, but we do get 200 mAh battery upgrade for both the S23 and S23 Plus, and 25 watt charging is for the base S23, whereas S23 Plus and the Ultra will be coming with a 45 watt of fast charging. And you guys, the Unpacked event is just a few days away, and the competition of the title for the best Android flagship for 2023 has begun. Based on this, it's appears that Samsung Galaxy S23 will be best smartphone in 2023. So what do you think about this Galaxy S23 leak? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you're interested to see the camera sample of the S23 series, here is the video. Check them out as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.